Morning bonsai lovers, bit of a different background today. Today I am at a koi growing show, hence the Keeping It Koi t-shirt on today. But the reason I'm at a koi growing show and putting this video out for you guys is because I'm here with a little bonsai stall. So got all sorts on here today. Got some pines, got some Scots and black pines, got some junipers, got some katsuras, sycamores, hazels, snakebark maples, apple trees, more sycamores, buxus, bit of everything. Even got a few down there. Bit of mind your own business for the pond lovers, a few bonsai pots. But yeah, so I'm here, and there's lots of other stalls here as well. Here's a stall for the bonsai lovers. For those of you that love bonsai and can't keep them alive, check these out. Look. It's Will from Will's Bonsais. For the bonsai community, you probably won't know Will because he's part of the koi community. But for those of you on the bonsai community, look at these. The detail in some of these is absolutely phenomenal. And Will spends hours and hours and hours creating these. Look at that for a tanuki, look. Absolutely amazing. Another tanuki over here. Bit of drift Deadwood. He makes his trees up in and around that, but they are absolutely stunning. And to be honest, they're cheaper than the real thing. Look at that. 70 quid, and that's not a small tree. Yeah, he's got hundreds of them here. Look. Another big tanuki up there. So yeah, if you like the look of these guys, get over and check Will's Koi out on YouTube, because he makes all these on his YouTube channel and then auctions them off, raffles them off, and just sells some of them. So Will's Koi wire bonsai trees. So check him out on YouTube and have a look.